Stop sending your PDF files one by one. If you are on your iPhone and do not have access to a PC and you need to merge multiple documents into a single file right now, no laptop required, I'm going to show you how to do it in under 60 seconds. It's faster than you think. First, install and open Systweak PDF editor on your iPhone. You can download it from the App Store or Play Store. Links are available in the description below. Once the app opens, tap on the PDF Tools option. Now scroll down and look for the Merge feature and tap on it. Then tap on Add Files and select all the PDF files you want to combine. Here you can add a file name for the Merge PDF. Once everything looks good, tap on Merge. And that's it. Within seconds, your iPhone will create one single combined PDF file. Now tap Open File and here it is. Now instead of sending 4 or 5 different PDFs, you can share just one clean document. It saves time, looks professional and keeps everything organized. And that's how you can merge PDF files on iPhone easily using Systweak PDF editor. By the way, what's the biggest PDF problem you face on your iPhone? Merging files, editing PDFs or adding signatures? Comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials.